So, arch-tempered Uthduna has been out for a while now, and I wanted to talk about this animal's, frankly, incredibly cool biology. Particularly, I wanted to talk a little bit about the anatomy of its hand. If you look at Uthduna's hand, you'll notice initially that it's kind of weird for a leviathan or a fanged wyvern or whatever, because it seems like it only has four fingers. It has this thumb down here, and then it has these three fingers, sticking up here. But its fifth finger is actually this gigantic tendril that sticks out of the side of its body, which is incredibly weird, but also not unprecedented. If you look at this guy, Pteranodon, you'll notice it has this gigantic thing supporting its wing membrane. Now, for Pteranodon, that big bone supporting the membrane is actually its fifth finger, just like Uthduna. The only difference is that Uthduna is using it to create a fin-like structure to propel itself through water, and Pteranodon is creating that fin-like structure to propel itself through air. Another super interesting thing about Uthduna is that it is very clearly a sight-based predator. If you look at its eyes, you'll notice that there's a groove in between the eye and the nostril that is kind of pushed into the skull. And that basically allows Uthduna to have, rifle sights for its jaws, so that its gigantic mouth is not obscuring its eyes when it's trying to hunt. And then, when it opens its mouth, both the maxilla and the mandible slide forward like they're on rails, which is something that you can see in fish like arapaima or tarpon. And they open their mouths so fast that it's going to suck water in and trap anything in front of them inside the mouth. The arch-tempered fight is super fun, and I've had a lovely time with it. I am still pulling a C rank, but I mark my words, I will get better, and I will get this thing down in at least under 20 minutes. Let me know which monster or real animal you'd like me to talk about next, and I will be sure to try to make a video on it.